This is the Hanayama Chess set. We're going to open up the Chess Knight Puzzle. I love the packaging. I don't even normally start with the packaging on, but I will for this series. It helps me to say thank you to BePuzzled for sending this. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. This knight piece is a nice one because you can definitely tell which way is forward and back. Unlike the pawn and the bishop, I guess the king and the queen are probably the worst for it. For this one here, you definitely have an orientation where you can set it this way and know which way the knight is facing. It's probably partly why this is a level 2 puzzle. It's not as challenging as the king and the queen. With this puzzle, again, I just want to emphasize how much I love the artistry, the make of it. It's solid. I really enjoy this puzzle, and I was able to, with my son, he was able to figure it out. He's 12 years old, and he was able to figure this one out pretty quickly. It's a level 2 puzzle, but it did have him stumped for a little bit, so that was kind of fun. Anyway, I'm going to show you the solution for this puzzle right after the spoiler break. The Hanayama Chess Puzzle, the knight. I want to do just a quick explanation. There's a pin inside here. The only moving piece is the bottom. So your job is to basically get that pin so that it goes in. And there's several ways that you can do it. The one way I found is most efficient is to take this knight and dip it down and then twist it over like that. And then if you line it up, it comes out. So again, now that it's out here, you can kind of see the pin right there. So spinning it around this way doesn't do anything, but if you listen inside, when you tilt it upside down, when it's like this, and you tilt it upside down, listen. There's a piece of metal inside there that's stopping this from going down, and what that does is it moves it out of the way so that when you twist it, it will pop inside there. Alright? So that's the solution. You have the knight like this. Dip down, twist over, the pin goes in, like that. I don't know if you noticed when I did that, you could also, it seems like if you spin it over, straight over like that, it would also do the same thing. Alright, so if you just start upright and just spin it over like that, it also would go in there. Now let's look at, let's see here. Knight. We have our lucky horseshoe. Put that back in there. Reset the puzzle, essentially just by shaking it around a bit, and it's all reset, ready for the next person who wants to try it. So again, line up the pieces. I'm going to try it this way this time. Line up the pieces and just flip it over, and it comes right apart. Alright, so that works too. Alright, hope that solution was helpful for you. Have a wonderful day.